Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums here in Fairfax, Virginia. We're at 11110 Lee Highway. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, as well as subscribe right here to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a how-to video. We do a lot of these different videos on different various types of vacuums, on how to replace the filters, the rollers, different parts and things like that. So today we're going to do a little how-to video on one of my personal favorite vacuums, which is the Kirby. This is actually one of the G5 series. It's a little bit of an older unit. They have a lot of different makes and models, but for the most part, majority of all the components and how they work and operate are almost identical, from the G series all the way up to the Avalier 2 series that they have out now. Today I'm going to show you guys just how to replace the roller, how to show you guys where the fan system is. There's a plastic fan right in here, how often that should be replaced, and to let you guys know about the Kirby U-Haul service, overhaul service that we do here. So for those of you guys who have your Kirby, this should be relatively easy. For those of you guys who are interested in getting one or not, or trying to look into getting one, so if you notice here on the machine, you're going to actually have, this going to be a green arrow and then a red arrow right here for your belt off. So in order to take your power head off here, you got to actually pull this lever out, turn it from green to green, back to red, and that's going to put your belt right onto the roller here. You're going to flip this little knob over, and then you're going to be able to detach your power head. So right in here, you're going to see the fan. This is your fan housing right here that goes attached to the motor. It's a plastic fan. So we get a lot of these that come in. There's no suction. It's making a really loud noise, different things like that. 9 times out of 10, it could be the motor, but what happens is if you suck up something like a penny or something hard, it will go in here and it'll crack the fan blades, and then you'll get a really loud noise. Sometimes it'll be so messed up that it'll seize the motor up, or just won't have much suction at all. Okay, so we do replace these here. We sell most of the parts here for these machines. They're very simple. You just take this front plate off. We'll do another video on how to replace the fan. So if you notice that your fan is chipped, broken, it's not rolling or spinning, making a loud noise, we're going to do a video on that. But today we're going to keep it simple here and show you how to replace the roller here, which is right here at the bottom of your power head. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, you have 2 clips here on the back. You're going to pop that one. You're going to pop this one here. That's going to release this metal plate right here. Next, you're going to see your roller, and there's your belt right there. So in order to remove the belt from the roller, you have to again take this little knob, turn it back from green to green to red, and then that's going to release your roller right here. And then you should just be able to pop this bad boy out. Which is a little bit more difficult. Okay. Now, once you take this off, you're going to remove the belt. Get your brand new roller here. You'll notice on these it'll say like 1 to 1, 2 right here. So basically what it's telling you is every year you should change this down from 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and what that's going to do is release, bring the roller, these little roller, your little spindles here, and it's going to replace that, and it's going to make it drop down lower and lower, so they'll wear down evenly. So every year, just take it from 1 to 1, 2 to 2. That way your roller brushes will drop down a little bit. That way you can get the maximum life out of your roller brush, because these aren't cheap. So what you're going to do next is take this and put this in the middle here, just like so. Then you're going to drop it down with the 1 to 1 on each side. Okay. You got that backwards here. And then once this drops down, okay. Now you're going to put your belt right in the middle here. And then you're going to notice this hook right here on the inside of this machine. You want to turn this so as you're turning, that hook grabs that belt, and it should see it pull it right all the way up. Now your belt should be resting in there just like that. Okay, now you're going to see what we call little birdie feet here and here. There's a little birdie perch right here on the machine. So what you're going to do, oh, first we got to put this plate back on. So just put this on like so. Give it a push down. Go ahead and lock it into place. Okay, you're going to set those birdie feet on the perch. Once they're on, just kind of push it up and on, lock it in, turn from red to red, back to green, and then that's how you replace your brush roll in your Kirby. Next thing we do, just want to go over, just to let you guys know, it is always better to buy these HEPA bags for the machine. Kirby's don't have any filtration system. They don't have a HEPA filter, pre-filter, or anything like that. So it's really nice to replace these bags with not the paper bags, but the HEPA bags. It provides that extra layer of filtration. So if you have any allergies, asthma, respiratory issues, seasonal allergies, pollen, pets in the home, always try to get the HEPA bags. It's going to protect it better. So that's it. That's how you replace it. We're going to do another video next week on how to replace the fan. If you have any questions, we sell all the Kirby parts here. Like our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great weekend.